If your Fortnite game keeps crashing, I'm going to show you an easy way how you can fix it with checking the compatibility settings. First off, you want to go ahead and go to your search bar here, and then you want to search up Epic Games Launcher. On Epic Games Launcher, make sure it's the app and not one of these search web option because that's going to be the wrong one. You want to go ahead and go to Epic Game Launcher, and then on the right hand side here, you want to go ahead and first off, open file location. On open file location, you'll see that it's going to be put into here, right? Now, this is not the one you want because this is just the shortcut. Once again, you're going to right click. On right click, you want to go ahead and tap on open file location. Now we're on the actual Epic Games Launcher EXE. You want to go ahead and right click, show more options, properties. On properties, you want to go ahead and go to compatibility. On compatibility, don't mess with any of these settings except this one. Tap on this. Run this program as an administrator. Once here, tap on apply. Once you tap on apply, click on OK. Now, technically, you don't have to do with that settings. You can just right click and then tap on run as administrator. But by putting on that setting, that means you don't have to click on this. Once you double click on Epic's Game Launcher, it'll always run as an administrator regardless of how you open it. And that should fix your Fortnite crashing.